Hello and welcome back everyone to this channel. And today in this video tutorial, I will show you how to create a matrix in Python. And for that, we are going to use the two approach. In the first approach, we will use the nested list. And in the second approach, we will use the Python matrix function. Now let's start. So in the first method, we will use the nested list to create a matrix. So here, let's create a matrix variable. And now for nested list, specify a square bracket, then within a square bracket, specify 2, 3, and 4. So here we are going to create a matrix of 3 by 3, which means it will contain total 9 elements. So here within this list, we have created another list containing 3 elements. Now here specify the comma and specify one more list and give any random number. And here we need to create a 3 by 3 matrix. So again, create one more list. Within this list, specify any random number. It is just for example. Now you can see. Now let's print this matrix. Execute the cell. And you can see the matrix is created. And as you can see, this matrix total contains a 9 element. If you multiply 3 by 3, you will get a 9. Now count the number of elements. You can see each list within the list contains 3 elements. And we created a 3 lists, so total 9 elements. This is the simplest approach to create a matrix in Python. Now in the next method, we will see how to use the matrix function, and this matrix function comes from the NumPy module, which allows you to create a matrix. Now let's start. First we will import a NumPy as np, then here create a matrix data like this, and then call np.matrix function from the NumPy. Now here, we don't need to create a list like this. Instead, we need to pass this number directly to this matrix function. So first specify a single quote, and within single quote, you are going to provide the element of the first list in the list, like this one. So here, write 2, 1, 2, 3, and after that, to separate the list, you need to specify a semicolon like this. Then you need to specify the second list. You can see here, which is here, and specify that one 4, 7, and 8. Now we need to specify the third list like we have given here. So to specify third list, specify here semicolon, and then specify the third list element like this. Now let's make it more readable. So after that, let's print matrix data. Execute the cell. And as you can see, we have created the matrix. So this is how you can create a matrix in Python using two methods. First one is the nested list, where you have specified another list within this main list, outer list. And the second method, you have used the matrix function from the NumPy module, and then we pass the number of elements that we want to include in the matrix. This is how you can create a matrix in Python. So at last I want to say, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, and thank you.